Let's take a look at how to create a new view mode. I'm going to click on the Manage item in the Admin toolbar, and I'll click on Structure, and then Display Modes, and then View Modes. And you can see the list of view modes for content here, and we can click Add a new view mode to add a new one. As you can see, you can add view modes to a lot of different entities in Drupal, including blocks, comments, and users. I'm going to add one for the content, and we'll just call this New View Mode. Click Save. And now if we go back to our content types and we go to the Manage Display for the article content type, we can scroll down to the bottom to the Custom Display settings, and we can select New View Mode and save. And we now see it up here as an option. Now you can display output in a unique way in views by simply selecting the option to display as fields and then rewriting the output of those fields. But if you create a new view mode, then that layout becomes reusable across multiple views, which is why you might want to go this route if you're creating a custom layout.